Hey, what's going on? It's your brother, your lover, the King, K Son Official, back with another unboxing video. Let's get right into this immediately. Okay, let's get right into this. What do we have here today? Some beautiful outdoor shoes. Nice. Okay, as you know, I work outdoors a lot. Being a tradesman, you're gonna be outside, you're gonna be exposed to the elements. It gets cold this time of the year. Very cold, very wet, very snowy. The most important thing you can do for yourself is protect your feet. A lot of people really sleep on this. A lot of people tend to neglect their footwear whenever they're working outdoors. They're focused on making money, and that's fine, but you have to invest in proper footwear. Health is wealth. I got two pairs of shoes right in front of me right now. Two pairs of, they can be used for hiking, they can be used for any type of terrain outdoors. They're made by Adidas. The first one here is the Terrex. This is waterproof, water resistant. It has a very grippy bottom to help on slippery surfaces. Very strong material, very canvas-like material. Very nice, very comfortable. High top to protect your ankles and keep your feet warm. They're not insulated, but they will do a good job at protecting your feet. Next on the docket is another pair of Terrex. These are also waterproof, water resistant. They'll protect your feet. But the difference, one of the major differences is underneath. This has the Continental. You know Continental tires? Yes, it has the Continental grip, the material that they use for the tires. This will help in much more slippery situations. Very nice. It's also water resistant, waterproof. It's not insulated, doesn't have the warm protection, but it will keep your feet nice. Both these shoes can do similar things. This one is a little more pricier, and it has the Continental grip at the bottom, as opposed to the standard Adidas grip, which still feels good. But this feels like a tire. This is insane. Wow. Very nice. Now, you know, I take footwear very serious. You know, this is something you don't want to cheap out on. I mean, health is wealth. You want to protect your feet at all times. And especially when you're outdoors, the last thing you need is to feel uncomfortable while you're working with heavy machinery. You need to be in tip-top shape. You don't need anything to slow you down when you're in your truck, when you're on any type of heavy machinery, any equipment, when you're handling big tools, when you're going underneath trailers, when you're inspecting your truck, when you're doing anything that involves very physical activity. You want the best of the best for your feet. I chose these specifically because of the material and the reputation. They're both very nice. They're both very nice. I think this has a slightly higher top, which is kind of cool. This has a higher top, and I do like ankle protection. I do like my ankles, the top of my ankles to be warm and covered. Very nice. And a big selling feature was this, that, you know, the Continental. Continental makes good tires. They make some solid tires, very, very good tires. And that's kind of cool. So I'm probably gonna go with these ones here. And these ones I might give to a coworker, or I might give them to my stepbrother. I don't know. So for reference, these are the Terrex Anylander Mid. And these are the Terrex Free Hiker GTX. When you're climbing on the catwalk of a truck, yeah, you should be wearing your safety shoes and steel toes. However, most drivers, they tend to wear something more comfortable when they're driving the truck. These are good because you can technically come out of the truck, go on the catwalk, hook up your lines, and still maintain a good grip on the catwalk. They're not safety shoes, so they're not steel toe. However, they are rugged. And that's what you want. You want protection. Like, these are so flipping awesome. And they were pretty affordable. These were pretty affordable, you know. They weren't over the top expensive, and they get the job done. You know me, I'm all about efficiency. I'm all about good deals, and I'm all about sharing blessings and helping out my fellow peoples with issues. I like to share good advice. I like to share positivity and good energy. I like to motivate and strengthen everybody, you know what I'm saying? Be the best version of yourself. Okay, so after trying both of them on, I walked around my condo for about 5 or 10 minutes, pacing back and forth. My dog was looking at me like I'm crazy, but I had to get a good feel of both these hiking shoes. And I've made a choice. So one is gonna go and one is gonna stay. I've decided, after walking around like a crazy person for 10 minutes and having my dog look at me like, what is this dude doing? Is he gonna put food in my dish? Is he gonna give me water? What is he doing? He's just walking around like a crazy man. Anyhow, I made my choice. I'm gonna be keeping these ones. Yep. And the main reason, and this is the honest truth, the main reason, there is more ankle protection in these ones. These are actually higher up in the air. These are higher tops. And I like the snug feeling around my ankle and around the lower part of my leg and the upper part of my foot. I like that extra protection, especially when you're dealing with heavy equipment, especially when you're dealing with, you know, metal and bolts and things that are sticking out, things that are protruding from the truck, things that are protruding from the inside of the truck and outside. If you bang up on something, there's a little bit of protection. You know, you scratch up against a piece of aluminum or metal, there's a less likelihood that you're gonna get cut. These are cool. These are not bad. And whoever gets these, whoever I give these away to, they're gonna love them. But it's just a little bit shorter than these ones, you know. And you can even feel it when you're wearing them and you're walking around. It just feels, for me, this is my opinion, it just feels that my ankle just feels a little bit exposed, and more than my comfort level. So keeping. Another reason why I chose to keep these as well is because they have Gore-Tex technology. It's a breathable, waterproof membrane that was made for military use, but now made for civilians. So this particular hiking boot has that technology. The other one doesn't. It doesn't mean the other one is bad. It's just, this is my preference, and I'm gonna go with this. So I think I made the right choice in my comfort level. So keeping, giving. Keeping, giving. Using, blessing. Someone will be blessed with these. You know what? We're gonna do a giveaway. We are gonna do a giveaway. I wasn't gonna give it to my stepbrother. I was gonna give it to him, but he's all right. He has a good job. I'll be giving these away. All you gotta do to enter this contest is to comment down below, give the video a like, subscribe, and share this video with somebody. I will randomly choose someone next year. I'll randomly choose a random comment next year. These will be given away. These are size 12. If you got big feet like me, then you're in luck. Size 12, 12 US. Okay? This will be a giveaway. So remember, comment down below, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. These boots will be given away. These are beautiful. You're gonna love them. Good luck. Peace.